Casting lets you control your YouTube on TV viewing experience using your phone, tablet, or computer. Let's walk through how to cast YouTube to your smart TV or streaming device. First, make sure you have the YouTube app downloaded to your smart TV. Next, make sure your mobile device or desktop is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your smart TV or streaming device. Then, open a video in the YouTube app. Next, tap or click the Cast icon. Or if you're on the YouTube homepage on a Chrome web browser, click the three dots and then select Cast. Choose the smart TV or streaming device that you want to cast to and wait for it to connect. If you have multiple smart TVs or streaming devices on the same network, all of them will appear in the cast window. Once connected, you'll be able to control YouTube on your TV with your device. While casting from your phone, you can use the YouTube app as a remote to control your experience. Just tap the cast icon on your app and select the remote symbol. While casting from a desktop, you can use your computer to play, pause, and browse content. You'll still be able to use your smart TV's remote to control your experience. Once you're done watching, tap the cast icon. Next, press the three dots next to the device, then tap Disconnect from TV. To learn more about casting YouTube to your smart TV, check out the links in the description below.